If you don't like coding but still want awesome music in your game, just follow these steps. Step 1. Open Roblox Studio. Find it in your applications or search for it on your computer. Step 2. Open your project. Create a new one or open an existing one by clicking File and then Open from File. Step 3. Find the Toolbox tab on the left side. This is where the magic happens. Step 4. Click on the audio category in the toolbox. Use the search bar to find your perfect tune. Step 5. Preview and select the music you like. Click the play button to listen and click the name to select. Step 6. Insert the music into your project by clicking Insert. You'll see it appear in the Explorer window. Step 7. Configure music properties in the Properties window. Adjust looping, volume, playback speed, and more. Step 8. For more control, add a script. Right-click your music file. Select Insert Object, Script, and type local sound equals sign_game.workspace.your_sound_name. Sound play. Step 9. Test your game. Hit the play button in Roblox Studio and enjoy your new soundtrack.